Hi everyone, I welcome the new subscribers to my channel. Please note that I am teaching the German A1 course in detail, and therefore all the tutorials that you can see in my channel have been put on YouTube in a certain order, and if you follow the order from the beginning till now, you will be able to better understand. So today's tutorial is about a new topic, which are the occasions, as we say in English. The occasions are die Anlässe in German. Please note that the perfect tense that I introduced in my last tutorial I am going to use in this tutorial again. The reason is that in German language, the present tense and the perfect tense both are used more in spoken German. So moving on. So the first occasion which is often celebrated is der Geburtstag. Now I have mentioned from time to time in my previous tutorials that many German nouns are compound nouns made up of more than one noun. And there is a way to remember a big German noun when it is a compound noun. So this noun has two nouns in it. Der Tag, which is the day, and die Geburt, which is the birth. So the day of the birth becomes the birth day. So the two common birthday wishes in German are Alles Gute zum Geburtstag, all the best for the birthday, or herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag, hearty congratulations for the birthday. All the best for the birthday, hearty congratulations for the birthday. Please note that the preposition zu is being used here, and this preposition can have many meanings in the German language. One meaning I've shown in my YouTube short, Ich gehe zur Arbeit, I am going to work, in which the preposition zu has been used in the dative form to show the action of going to work. But this tutorial part will use this preposition zu, which is a dative preposition in German language, and the meaning of this preposition in this tutorial part is for. So all the best for birthday, or all the best for some other occasion. The reason this preposition is a dative preposition is because zu is combined with the relevant definite article of the noun depending on the gender of the noun. So, for example, zu dem Geburtstag is the long form of that birthday wish, but zu dem can be shortened to zum. Zu der Arbeit. So in that YouTube short, ich gehe zu der Arbeit would be the full form of the sentence, but zu der can be shortened to zur. So I will show you two sentences, one in the present tense and one in the perfect tense, with a new verb feiern, which is used in both these sentences, and feiern means to celebrate. It is a regular German verb and will be conjugated like all regular German verbs. So for conjugation of regular German verbs and for some irregular German verbs, do check my tutorial 21. In the present tense, Amara feiert übermorgen den Geburtstag im Restaurant. So not only have I used a new verb in both these sentences, feiern, which is to celebrate, but I've shown you something else also. That is how to position the words in sentences like this. So for example, in answering the question 1, which I covered in my previous tutorials, which is when, any time-related word or adverb will come first, then will come something or someone. Answering the question was, because was is what, and I have covered the question was in my previous tutorials also. And last of all comes the place, answering the question wo, which I have also shortly covered in my previous tutorials. So you should note that first should come any time-related words or adverbs, then something or someone, and then some place. So this sentence says that Amara is celebrating the birthday in the restaurant tomorrow. This is how we would say in English. But if we want to put this sentence in the German perfect tense, it becomes different, of course. And also note that feiern will use haben as the helping verb. So in order to understand this tutorial part better, you should have watched my previous tutorial in which I introduced the perfect tense. So imperfect, Amara hat Monat, den Geburtstag im Restaurant gefeiert. Amara has celebrated the birthday in the restaurant last month. So there is not only this verb feiern which is new, but there is another adjective which I don't think I've mentioned in my previous tutorials. This adjective is letzt. And the ending of letzt will depend not only on the gender of the noun that comes after it, but also the grammar case that is being used. So note that the verbs that I'm using in this tutorial part are all verbs that use the German accusative case. What do I mean by the German cases? For that, please do check my tutorial 14. So because it is der Monat, the month, and this sentence is using accusative case, so the ending of the adjective tends to be like the ending of the German indefinite articles. Einen, eine, like that, which I have covered before also. Moving on, die Hochzeit, which is the wedding. And the good thing is that the wishes for the occasions are almost the same. So again, alles Gute zum Hochzeitstag, all the best for the wedding day. But if you're going to use for the wedding, it will be alles Gute zur Hochzeit. Because this is der Hochzeitstag, but the wedding itself is a word which is a feminine noun in German because it uses die. All the best for the wedding day or all the best for the wedding. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Hochzeitstag. Hearty congratulations for the wedding day, or herzlichen Glückwunsch zur Hochzeit. Hearty congratulations for the wedding. I am using another new verb. Maria und Jonas fliegen nächste Woche zur Hochzeit nach Spanien. So these two are flying next week for the wedding to Spain. Time-related words, a thing or a person, but this time it is again a thing, and then the place. And nach is used as a preposition for most countries. Now fliegen is a verb that can make use of two helping verbs. It can make use of sein. It can also make use of haben. The difference is just that if haben is used with fliegen in the perfect tense, and it would mean that both of these are the pilots of the plane that they are flying. Both of these are flying to Spain. But since both of these are not the pilots, and I mean to say that both of these are the passengers of the plane that will fly to Spain, therefore the helping verb sein has been used. So in the perfect tense, this sentence becomes therefore Maria und Jonas sind letzte Woche zur Hochzeit nach Spanien geflogen. Both of these have flown, as we would say in English, to Spain for their wedding last week. Die Woche, the ending of let's is letzte Woche in the accusative case. So fliegen is still a verb that uses the accusative case. That was all for today. Do stay updated for more occasions in part 2 of this tutorial.